Let's also get an update from Tanushka, who's with us from ITO at the moment. Tanushka, we are aware that Delhi recorded more than 100 mm of rainfall just within an hour. The National Flash Flood Guidance Bulletin also included Delhi in its areas of concern. Among the worst hit was ITO, where you are, where waterlogging under the Tilak Bridge created a gridlock on the ring road. Last time we spoke, the entire road behind you was inundated. Any changes now? Any submersible pumps that have helped clear that road out?
Yes, Parmeshwar, the water levels here in ITO at this stretch that leads up to Ghaziabad has indeed receded. The water levels have receded, as you can see behind me. The work that is being done by some of the drainage workers here, some of the MCD workers here, as you can see, the work has been happening and water is, being pumped out right now. So the water levels have receded. Earlier in the morning, since 8 a.m., the water levels were here such that, it was knee-deep level in ITO. But right now, the water levels have receded. The traffic, however, traffic snarls continue to remain. At the other side of the road, you can see that traffic is frozen and traffic is not moving, and this is primarily because of this is the aftermath of the rains that happened last night. 3 hours of torrential and continuous rains that gripped the national capital yesterday as well as the NCR region. Mayur Vihar recorded the highest rainfall amount at 147 millimeters, while Noida sector 62 recorded 137.5 millimeters. So these are the areas, especially, ITO especially gets waterlogged, drastically waterlogged every year, and it's really intense here every year. It's the worst hit usually. Right now the situation is getting better now, but the thing is that, how is it that the rains happened for 3 hours constantly last night, but the roads this entire stretch was so waterlogged up till this morning. Even now the water hasn't completely receded. It's not dry here yet, but water is getting out. We know that the Met Department has issued a red alert for today, and we can expect intermittent showers along with thunderstorms until August 5. So this is the monsoon season, as we know as how nature's cycle goes. But the main thing being that this is the condition. Delhi drowns every year in the monsoon season, and be it different areas, and there's a lot of chaos and destruction that is caused. 7 people have died because in the aftermath of this rainfall that happened last night, in the destruction as well, buildings have fallen, several people have gotten injured. So this is the scenario right now. Schools have been shut, both government and private schools have also been shut. This was the notice issued by the Directorate of Education last night, and even offices have been shut like on the spot. People have come to the office to see that, the roads are waterlogged, their office premises are also waterlogged, so they've been asked to go back home thereafter. So this is what this scenario is in across Delhi NCR, wherein just a few hours of rainfall causes so much chaos and waterlogging.